Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GTmetrix for performance bottlenecks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the GTmetrix website by typing in the URL. Locate the login option, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the reset process. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your GTmetrix dashboard. To analyze a website, enter the URL you wish to check in the provided input box. Select the options to customize your test settings if needed. Click on the Test Your Site button to begin the performance analysis. After a few moments, your results will be displayed. Review the scores for both performance and structure. Pay attention to the waterfall chart to identify specific bottlenecks. Explore the recommendations section for insights on improving your website's performance. Use the information gathered to make necessary optimizations on your site. You can also save and track your tests for future reference. Always remember to retest after implementing changes to gauge improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.